Seagate Barracuda, 2 terabyte, 2.5 inch drive here. This is how it arrived in this box. Let's see what we get. See what we get in here. There it is. It arrives just like this. Nice sealed bag, packaged very safely. There it is. The Seagate 2 terabyte Barracuda hard drive. Let's see how this thing plugs in. Let's see if we can get it to work on this guy. So I got this mini PC, Camry mini PC. This is a 8 gig, but it came with 256 bits, 256 gigs of RAM for the hard drive. So I wanted to upgrade it by adding the Seagate card here, and it's simple. But yeah, let's open this up, throw this thing in here, and we'll see how it, see if it fits. I hope it fits. If it doesn't, how about the wrong thing? Pretty simple. You just take these 2 screws out, lift this guy up, find the right slots, line these slots up right here. There it is. Got locked into place. Had to slide it into place and lock it in there. Cool thing, that little foam thing on the outside wouldn't let me close it. It knew I had it in wrong. So, all right, got this in the Camry AK1 mini PC with Windows Pro 11 on here. And we'll plug into the computer and see if it recognizes that 2 terabyte Seagate drive. Stay tuned. All right, so I got the Seagate put into here. I had to go into, this is Windows 11, I had to go into disk management, and I had to right click on this because it was unallocated, and then run this like wizard, and then it assigned it to the disk. But you can see I'm only getting 1.863 gigabytes on there. And if I go back to Windows, there it is, volume D. I assigned it as volume D, but it did show up. I got 1.81 terabytes. I said gigabytes, actually terabytes on here for that price that I got it for. So pretty good deal. I'll take it.